Hi, I'm Karthik. In today's video, we'll create this stunning YouTube banner or channel art and turn it into this using nothing but Midjourney. YouTube banner is the first thing people will see on your YouTube channel along with your profile picture. So we'll create one from the ground up using Midjourney. And yes, Midjourney can generate text. It's quite fun. I'll break it down into three simple steps for a history YouTube channel. Well, you can take these steps and apply it to any kind of YouTube channel. Let's get started with step 1. The first step is to generate base composition. Now I'll go to midjourney.com. Before I type anything, I'll just drag an image that I've already generated because I really like this image. I'll just click and drag it into the prompt bar. Once the image is uploaded, hover over the image and click on this paperclip icon. That makes this image the style reference. Now I've provided these images and also the prompts in the zip file down below. You can download it for free. You can use this image if you want to use this as a style reference, or you can use any image. You can also use images on Midjourney. Okay, since this is a historic channel, I'll say intimate marble sculpture of Zeus, because Zeus is a really important historic figure. And then I put full stop. Then I say Zeus has veins of thunder and glowing eyes. Now, why did I use Zeus again? Because Midjourney will clearly understand where to put all these details. So this way of clearly telling Midjourney will produce the images that you're looking for. And then I say Zeus is lit by golden rays from the side. This prompt will also be in the zip file. You can just copy and paste it. And then I say behind Zeus, I want is dark ancient Greek temple with futuristic details. Since we're talking about history YouTube channel, I want those details. And finally, this is the important part. And then I say huge neon text and then type your text. Probably 2 to 3 words, because the more text you have, it might not produce accurate results. So I'll just go with beyond timelines because I think that's a really catchy phrase for our YouTube channel in neon glow style. Now you can change these styles to any values. Instead of marble sculpture, you can have like a watercolor painting or a digital portrait, anything you want, but this is just one of the many ways. And then comes the really important part, which is AR, aspect ratio, space. You say dash dash AR, space, and we use 6:1 or 6:1. This is really important because we want this image to be visible on all devices for YouTube channel art. Again, this whole prompt will be available in the zip file. Then I'll use dash dash SW, which is style weight, how much of the style of this reference image is applied to our generated image. You can go with something like 500,000. You can have values from 0 to 1000. I'll just go with 500, and that's our first step. Let's hit enter and let's wait for it. So I'll click on the create tab and wait for this to be completed. As you can see, it produced some beautiful images. You can pick the one that you like. Now, if the text is messed up, you can click on it, click on editor, just increase the brush size, try painting over the text and redo the prompt. I'll actually do that. I'll hit submit. We'll go back to create tab and we have beautiful text in neon glow style. The next step is to remix this so that we have more of the image and text. Well, if you don't find remix on the right hand side, you have to click on more options and check this remix option. Then you'll see the remix option. Just click on remix strong. You can also go with subtle. Now in this step, only thing you need to change is the aspect ratio. So from 6:1, change it to 16:9. Why are we doing it? We're doing it so that we can see more of our image and more of our text. Leave everything at the default and hit enter, and that will create image with better composition. And again, if the text is messed up, you just paint over the text and just submit, and that should fix the text. We'll see what it comes up with. And it finished generating, and look at this beautiful images and look at the text. Of course, here the text is messed up, but here the text is beautiful, and in here the text is beautiful. Now you can pick. I'll go with this one. You can again pick any of these images, or let's actually go with this image. I think this looks beautiful. So this is the final step, and that is to add finishing touches. We've done remix. We got a better image this time. Now it's time for us to click on editor. You don't have to change anything in this. All we need to do is to click on the scale at the top and keep it around 34, 35, or even 31 is totally fine. Now you can click on this and place it at the exact center. It's totally up to you. If you want to stretch it like this, it's totally up to you, but I'll leave it like that, maybe stretched a little bit. I think this one should do the job, and you can also reduce the scale a little bit. In the editor, all we need to do is to remove everything else except intimate marble sculpture of Zeus and leave the reference image intact and hit submit, and we'll have our final YouTube banner that we can use. And just like that, we got this beautiful YouTube banner which will not only look good on your desktop, your mobile, but it'll look good on all the devices. I think I really like this one. Again, I'll leave all these images in the zip file so you can use them as style references, but follow the steps that I've taught you. So I actually opened a YouTube channel. This is a personal channel that I don't really use. So I'll click on upload. Let's try uploading our image and let's see. We followed all the steps. This, the initial image that we generated in step 1, will be visible on all devices. As you can see, when I hover over it, everything else is kind of like blurred out. When I hover over viewable on desktop, you can see this rectangular box will be visible on desktop. The thing that we got in step 2, that will be visible on desktop. And when I hover over the TV, they'll actually see the whole image. So it's just one image with the text, which is exactly centered at the composition. You can see our beautiful Midjourney generated YouTube banner. So that is the power of Midjourney. And if you want to watch more such cool Midjourney tutorials, check out Midjourney Tutorials playlist on the channel. Thanks for watching and subscribe to AI with Karthik. Previously, I used to call it What's Up AI. Now it's AI with Karthik. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.